Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is 20th of June 2022, and today I am making a very special video in Nifty, but also I want to tell you I have already recorded a video on the cryptos, right? Why cryptos are falling down, what should be my entry point, what is happening in crypto, will I be taking a position in crypto, and if it is I'm taking a position in the crypto, at what level will I take the entry? So all of it, those who have missed investing in cryptos earlier, now will get an opportunity to trade into them. So wait for my video, but till then, I want to talk about today Nifty, because Nifty stands on a very, very crucial juncture. I remember when I started learning years back, it's almost like 20 years back. So my mentor was a person from New York Stock Exchange, and he was an Indian, but he has worked majorly of his lifetime into New York Stock Exchange. He was a NRI, and he would insist a lot on double bottom, right? He would say that I remember that time we used to have Google, not Google, but the Yahoo Finance we used to have, and he would make me download all the data from the Yahoo and analyze it on a regular basis. The most important point that he used to say is double bottom and double top. Today, Nifty has made a double bottom. Have a look at it. If I increase it much bigger, Nifty has made almost like a double bottom, right? There is a price rejection from the lower levels. Let me just make it smaller time frame, and then we'll see what is exactly happening here. So this is a bottom that it made on 17th, and today also the bottom was respected, right? Today also the bottom was almost respected. So this is a very, very major sign for me. And if you have a look at it today, this fall, in spite of major sell-off in the metal sector, the market did not fell with that intensity. Have a look into the VEDL. It just fell from morning till evening. Have a look at Hindalco. Have a look at Hindalco. It was also falling down continuously. Have a look at Jindal Steel. Have a look at Tata Steel. They were continuously falling the entire day, right? But the repercussion in the market didn't come that strongly. Have a look at this. It majorly corrected quickly, right? So what I want to tell you here, that Nifty is made a double bottom in spite of heavy selling off. In spite of heavy selling off in the metal, market did not fall that aggressively. So to somehow I have a feeling market is trying to hold itself at this level, right? And एक और काम करते हैं, what we will do, we'll go to the option chain and see what is exactly happening in the option chain. So here we are in the option chain, and again let's have a look at the option chain and try to figure out what is exactly happening in the option chain. So this is Nifty's option chain, and on this side the yellow part is in the money put option. This is in the money call option, right? And if you notice, there is huge amount of call writing happened at the level of 15,200. So the expiry level looks to me around 15,200 at least. I have already made a video about the expiry levels, and I have told that Nifty will expire around 15,000 to 15,200. That's the level that I'm expecting. And if I have a look at what is happening in the put side, what kind of put writing is happening, this huge put writing happened at the 15,000 level. Then there is huge put writing at 15,100 level, and then 15,200 level. So in case you want to notice here, 15,200 is a very, very strong level, right? Notice this 15,200. You can open up it in the NSE's website and see what is exactly happening in the 15,200 level. So 15,200 level looks very, very strong level to me as of now. Here, ये 15,200 का level है. Okay, huge put writing as well as the call writing. So most of it could be straddles, and but anyway, in the money call option, writing means where did the market close today? 15,350 in the cash. So 15,350 in the cash and 15,366 in the futures. So As of now, market looks to me pretty like there could be a slight return that can be expected. Now let's quickly look into Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty was more stable than the Nifty, and even Bank Nifty almost also made a double bottom today, right? Like today itself, if you see one bottom and second bottom at the same place, which is 32,500. So, and what contributed to this stability in the Bank Nifty? First one was HDFC, then the HDFC Bank. HDFC twins made a real these HDFC twins kept on holding the Bank Nifty, and that looks a very positive signal to me. I would like to see what is happening in the Bank Nifty overall. So Axis Bank, this is Kotak Bank, this is State Bank of India, this is Bank Nifty, this is RBL Bank, reversed from the bottom, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank. So all the stocks, all the constituent companies of Bank Nifty kind of remained, ICICI remained stable. Kotak reversed. State Bank, it was falling down but reversed a little bit. Bank Nifty made its double bottom. RBL Bank was massively falling, which returned. IndusInd Bank after fall returned, and HDFC Bank was continuously going up. So far, let's quickly also have a look into Bank Nifty's option. Probably there will be, if there's something new, we should be able to capture. So in the money call option, if you have a look at this place, I'll mark it for you. There has been huge call writing at this level. If you notice, there's a huge call writing happening, but there is not much of put writing happening, right? That way, what I can feel that Bank Nifty is also weak. It's not very strong because call writing is strong, put writing is not very strong. It indicates that Bank Nifty is not very strong at this point of time. But having said that, this was all in the live market. Tomorrow, how the dynamics change, we don't know. So Bank Nifty also looks to me standing on a support zone, right? Bank Nifty also looks to me standing on a support zone. So let's see, crossing over this level, which is 33,000, is going to be a very, very strong reversal for Bank Nifty. So crossing 33,000, suppose it opens gap up tomorrow, then we can say Bank Nifty's stance is positive. So this is how my Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis stands. Now I'm going to talk about two stocks which are on my radar. The first stock that I have on my radar is 𝐻𝐿 Laboratories. 𝐻𝐿 Laboratories looks good for a buying to me. The reason is simple, very, very simple reason. I never want to complicate my research. Have a look at the 𝐻𝐿 Laboratories graph. It has been consolidating over this period of time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times it tried to break this barrier. So 885, above 885, 𝐻𝐿 looks good for buying opportunity. And one more stock that is on my radar at this point of time is IndiaMart. IndiaMart Intermesh. So why is it looking so important to me? One is that it stands on a very crucial zone. It has already broken the support, but this place also looks to me a great support zone as well. There is a possibility that the stock may take a reversal from here. There has been some put writing happening at 4,000 level and unwinding happening at 5,000 level. So putting all this data into perspective, I feel there could be a reversal in IndiaMart Intermesh. So these are the two stocks as of now I'm giving you for tomorrow. I'm expecting IndiaMart to reverse from here, and I'm expecting 𝐻𝐿 Laboratory to cross 885, and after that we will have a buying opportunity. So these are the two stocks, and one more stock that I would like to tell you, which I gave in the market as also Apollo Hospital, right? Apollo Hospital also looks very good with the way it has broken this fast trend. So even we have still a buying opportunity above 3825. We can again have a buying opportunity above 3825. So these are my three stocks. Hope you like the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Do like, share and subscribe, and join me on my Telegram channel for live trades. See you there. Bye bye. Take care.